Today I am playing Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon. It's right there. I am playing it. Yeah. I just bought the game too. Yep, I really like it. It's awesome. Check it out at your nearest Stop and Go. Stop and Go. Stop, GameStop. When I was thinking Stop and Go, it's GameStop. Or you can buy it off of Amazon. I just bought it off of Amazon. Yep, it's brand new. Yep. Tinkerbell. DS.